rightly said, winners do not do different things, but they do the things in a different way. A successful startup demands proper leadership with good marketing skill. Everything needs to change with time, and a good startup must aim to address the demand of the people. In the present scenarios where IoT is at its boom, we really wanted to add something new to the IoT, and therefore we came up with the idea of IoT-based health monitoring kit. Our product is really a market-oriented one, and we are confident that it will really grab the attention of the people. With this, we aim to provide our benefits to the deprived sections of the society, which are just curtailed by certain benefits which are provided by the government. Though there are significant development in the technology, in the field of technology by our existing government, but still there are some sections of society which are not receiving these benefits, and therefore we have planned to organize our demonstration camps within the slums and the remote areas, and visiting the villages, telling the people about its significance, how they can use this product. So I have justified the point number 1, that is reasons why the people should go for this product. Now, talking about the sizable market, it is really beneficial to the old age people who are presently living in the old age homes, or who are just living in their normal routine life, but still they are unaware of their certain health parameters which they must regularly go through. Also, the people living in the villages or the slums, they will be saving their transportation cost in this too, and therefore it is really beneficial for them. Even the corporate sector employees, they really need to maintain their fitness, because a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So they will be availing its benefit, and they can just measure their various health parameters in just a seconds. So this saves time, and there is no barrier of place also. So now I'm going to tell about the market trends. So talking about the global market trends, presently there are our competitors who are providing this facility, but there is a barrier of cost related to it. But we have planned to provide our product in such a reasonable way that it may reach to each and every section of the society. Talking about the Indian market trend, there are no such competitors presently. So I am confident that our product will be really successful, will attain a huge success in the Indian market. For a successful startup, the product must dominate in the current market trends. So now, coming to the market trends. So, talking about the global market trends, there are our competitors who are providing this facility, but there is a barrier to cost with such products. We are availing our facility to the market at such a reasonable cost that it may reach to each and every section of the society. So, we have channelized our demonstration camps, and our significant measures have been adopted so that this product may reach to the village people as well as the people who are unaware of its benefits. So, we came up with an idea of the IoT-based health monitoring kit. In the current scenario, in this pandemic time, where everyone is fearful to rush to hospitals and the work from home culture is dominant presently. So this product would have achieved a huge success in the present time. So I am really quite confident about its success in the Indian market. There are no such competitors availing this facility. We will be dominating in the market trends. So we are quite confident to bring this product out, and will be attaining profit as well as with the people's satisfaction, which is the basic principle of marketing.